Thanks for watching. I'm Prerna Agarwal, Technical Product Owner for The Guardian. Today we'll be giving you Guardian updates of Sprint 29 that lasted from December 26 to January 6. So just a quick overview of the agenda. We'll be looking at the Guardian roadmap. We'll also be talking about the issues that we tackled in Sprint 29 that lasted from December 26 to January 6. Then we'll be flipping over and giving you a short demo on Sprint 29. We'll be also looking ahead of week of January 9th, which is Sprint 30th. We'll also be talking about some of the issues that we'll be tackling in Sprint 30th. Then we'll be giving you a quick update on the upcoming releases. We're also going to be giving you some of the ways that you can either submit bugs or policy requests through various different channels. So just a quick overview of the Guardian roadmap. Again, this is open source. Anyone can see that. All you need to do is install the GitHub extension in Chrome. And when you travel to the Guardian GitHub repo, you will be able to see a tab to quickly open that up and see what's going on there. So as you can see, we are working on the policy differentiation feature. We are also working on some of the testing tickets, which is SOAK testing, automated compatibility testing, scalability and capacity testing. We are also working on the library of policy examples and so on and so forth. Just an overview of what we covered in Sprint 29. So in Sprint 29, we committed to 65 story points and we delivered 32 story points. So in these story points, we include 397, which is Guardian API and demo UI to retire tokens, 362 QA disaster recovery testing, 290 matched assets, and some of the bugs which are reported by the community, which includes 1589 and 1599. Now let's look at the demo of Sprint 29. So in this, we are going to go over the retirement process. So which includes 397 ticket, which is Guardian API and demo UI to retire tokens. Currently, there is no way to retire tokens using Guardian. As a Guardian user and a token owner, I need a convenient way of retiring tokens I own accordingly to the rules in the policy they have been minted under. So the retirement process also includes a 290 ticket, which is matched assets, where various sustainability related tokens are created by the Guardian in compliance with a particular policy. They can have a relationship with other tokens created by a different version of the same policy or a different version of the same root authority or a different policy of a different root authority. So the type of the relation can be equivalence or opposite equivalence, which is matched assets, or variations of the above with an exchange rate. So in order to solve this, let's look at a quick retirement demo, what we have created. So here, as you can see, we have published two of the policies, which is one is the GHG token and one is the CRU policy. And we have already published it and all the tokens are minted for both the policies. Now let's go and create a token, a contract. As you can see, we have created and added one new contracts tab in our menu options. When you click on that, this basically is used to create a retirement contract. So here you can add a description to a contract, which is the name of the contract. Once you add it, now the contract has been created. Now you will add a pair, a tokens pair to a contract where you select each of the minted token. And you also add the ratio of the token to be retired. So here we are creating one token would be retired for one timeless CRU token. Once the token is created and added to the contract, then we log in as a purchaser. Here we have added a new tab as retire in the profile tab. Now you will create, a purchaser can create a retire request for the standard registry to approve to retire the tokens. So here you can see the request involves three steps, which is first you choose the token pair, then you choose the contract, and then you set the count and select which particular token you want to retire to. Now you select the token pair, and once the token pair matches a contract, you select the contract, and here as it is a 1:1 ratio, you select the proper base token and the opposite token. Once you create the request, now the request has been created by the user, by the purchaser. Now the user can actually cancel the request, or once it is requested, we need to log into the standard registry. And here you can see the standard registry can view the request and then can retire tokens after viewing the request. Once the tokens have been retired, they can view the details by clicking on the view detail operation. And as you can see, the two tokens have been retired. And when you again log in back as a purchaser, here in the retirement, you can see again the view details of the retirement. And when you go back, so this is the retirement process. In order to get a complete more details about this step-by-step process, we have added a complete process as a retirement contract in the standard registry section in our docs.hedera.com/guardian/standard registry/retirement contract. Here you get a step-by-step procedure of how to create a contract, how to add the token pair in the contract, how to add a user to the contract, how to create a retirement request by a user, and all the related APIs of the retirement is being added in the docs. So feel free to look at our docs and let us know if you have any questions. You can raise a ticket, or you can also pin on our Slack channel. We'll get back to you shortly. Now, moving ahead, we'll be talking about our upcoming sprint, which is sprint 30th. So in sprint 30th, we are committing to 39 story points, which includes 85 policy differentiation feature, 1633 selective disclosure, 1596, which is a resilient guardian service, and some of the bugs, which includes 1616 and conditional fields. Talking about the upcoming releases, our last release was on Friday, December 28th, 2022. Our next release will be on Tuesday, January 31st, 2023. So there are multiple ways to reach out to us. You can reach out to us on GitHub. You can submit policy requests, enhancements, or if you find some bugs, please go ahead and mention those bugs with us so that we can get our team on it. Also, if you haven't joined our Discord, come and join our conversation at hedera.com/discord. And when you get there, search for sustainability channel, or feel free to reach out to us directly if you have any policy requests by emailing us at info@envisionblockchain.com or through our website, which is at www.envisionblockchain.com. Thank you. Have a great day.